Welcome back to Math 103. This is video number 4 on fair distribution. We are carrying out the method of sealed bids for the same fair distribution problem, but now without Dewey. Only Cheatham and Howe are the players. So we know the valuations of the goods. There is only one item. Cheatham values it more highly, so he is going to be the one who gets it. Right? So Cheatham gets the office. So far, this problem seems identical to the previous version, but now we see there's a difference when we go to compute the minimum fair share amount in dollars for each of the two players. There are only two players, so now we have to divide their totals by 2 rather than by 3. So now Cheatham's minimum fair share amount in dollars is $180,000. For Howe, it's $135,000. And because these numbers are different than they were in the previous version of the problem, all our computations will be different as well. Now we're ready to work out the first settlement. So Cheatham receives the office, Howe receives no items. Cheatham is going to have to pay money into the bank account because the total value of what he's received is more than his minimum fair share amount. He's received a $360,000 office, but was entitled to only, at least minimally, $180,000 worth of stuff, so he pays the difference, which is, again, $180,000. Howe is going to have to receive cash because he didn't receive any items, so he'll receive exactly his minimum fair share amount of $135,000. At this moment, the net value of what Cheatham has is $180,000, exactly his minimum fair share, and for Howe also, it's $135,000, exactly a minimum fair share for him. Before we go on to the final settlement, we just need to understand how much is the surplus, and that's just $180,000 minus $135,000, which is $45,000. So $180,000 paid into the account, $135,000 taken out. That means that $45,000 are left. Each player will get half of that, namely $22,500. Knowing that each player receives $22,500 in surplus cash, we can now go on and work out the final settlement. We've already seen that Cheatham gets the office and Howe gets no items. What does Cheatham pay into the bank account net? Well, he was paying $180,000 before, and now he gets a rebate of $22,500. So the net amount he pays is $157,500. Previously, Howe received $135,000 and is now receiving an additional $22,500. The total Howe now receives, the net amount he now receives, is $157,500. What an extraordinary coincidence. So the net amount of money paid into the bank account agrees with the net amount of money received from the bank account, as it must. This concludes our solution to the fair distribution problem. Please go on to the next video.